ScratchJr is a programming environment for younger children, and you don't actually have to even know how to read yet. So it can be found, it can be downloaded onto iPads or tablet-sized Androids, and it is also free. So you can, at the beginning, click on this house icon. And I have some projects here, but I can start a new one by clicking on that plus sign that is on the white background. So this is what ScratchJr looks like. You might be able to see it here. So we have our characters here, and then we have our levels here on the right. And then we have this playing area in the middle where it shows our play or game or whatever you've been doing. And then if we want to program, we will be using this lower part of the screen. So I will be making a simple game where this cat will clean some area of, well, something that shouldn't be there. So I will be starting by, there is a photograph at the upper part of the screen, so I will be choosing an area where I want to move. And I will be choosing this beach icon, and then I can press on ready at the upper part of the screen. So now I have a beach and I can move my cat to a position so it won't be wet. And I want my cat to be so that it will jump every time I press on it with my finger. So I will be going to these yellow blocks, and there is this one block that has a character being pressed by a finger. So I need that one, and then I want it to jump. So I will be going to these blue commands, and the second to last is this jump command. And now I can test, and I can click on the cat, and it will jump. Now I need a bigger jump. I will be placing my, well, treasure or whatever I'm catching a bit higher up. So I click on this number 2, and I will be jumping jumps that are 4 blocks high. Okay, so now I need some different character into this game. So it is here on the left side. And I will be collecting. There are some balloons left, some balls left on the beach, and I will be cleaning up those. Okay, so now I have a ball here, and I want to make this game a bit harder, so my ball will be moving horizontally all the time, and my cat has to jump at the right moment to get it. So I will go to these yellow blocks, and there is this green flag. So green flag can also be found at the top of the area, and it is actually how the game is started. And now I will be wanting it to move all the time to some direction. So I will be going to these blue commands, and I can actually pick this go to the right. Now it moves to the right once, and after that I actually wanted to, well, do it again. So I will be going into these ending blocks that are red. And there is this one command that is like, once you've gotten here, go back to the beginning. So it will go to the beginning and move again and again and again, because it always reaches the end again. Okay, I can test. I click on the flag icon, and this ball will start moving. Now I will be jumping, but I cannot catch that ball. So I can stop the game for a moment, and now to catch something we have to go to these yellow blocks And there is this one that is when two characters touch one another. And once this happens, I want the ball to be collected away. So I will be going to these violet commands, and there is this one that is go to hiding, hide yourself. So after this, I would want the beach to be clean and the cat to be having a party, for example. So I will be putting a new level on this, and I can choose some other uh, background for this. I will be choosing this sunset. Okay, we've done a good day's job, and the cat will party. And okay, so when the cat comes here, when this part of the game is begun, the cat will say something. So it will say, for example, in a bubble, these violet commands bubble, uh, what should it say? Um, it will say yay. Okay, and now I actually remember at this point that I will have to go back to this first level because this second part is unfinished. So the ball has gone into hiding and we made a second level, but we never commanded any character to change the level. So I will be going to these red commands, and now we have this level 2 command here. So I will put this level 2 at the ending after the hiding. Okay, I will be going back to the second level. Okay, my cat has said yay, and after that I thought it could be jumping for a while, or at least twice. And now I will go to these blue commands to get this jump. And then to make something more times than once, to make something, for example, twice, I will be using this orange command, that is to do something many times. And I don't want to do 4 jumps. I'm quite happy with just 2 these ones. Okay, and now I can test my game. I will be going to the first level, and now I can set this game in motion by clicking on the green flag. Okay, so the ball is in motion, and now I can click on the cat at the right moment, and now it will go to celebrate.